Hey everyone, welcome to Tent Talk, the Farmers Market podcast. This podcast is all about farmers markets. Whether you're a farmers market manager or a small farmer, food maker, or artisan selling at farmers markets, you have found just the right podcast.
I'm Kat Fields-White.
And I'm Bridget Myers. We're longtime farmers market managers, educators, and consultants.
We're spending this week quietly, doing a little planning for next year and thinking about our resolutions for 2025. We'll be back next week to share some of those.
Pop us an email at connect@farmersmarketpros.com or message us on Instagram if you'd like to share your own goals and intentions for 2025. We'd love to hear your thoughts, and you just might be featured on Tent Talk.
However you're celebrating the turn of the calendar page, know that we're looking forward to another year of markets and community and podcasts with you.
Happy New Year! Thanks for listening to Tent Talk today. Please leave us a review on your podcast app or wherever you listen to Tent Talk. Let us and others know how you're enjoying the podcast. Be sure to subscribe so you don't miss the next episode of Tent Talk. Connect with fellow farmers market folks in our private Facebook group, the Farmers Market Pros Community, and follow us on Instagram at Farmers Market Pros. Find online education and other resources at farmersmarketpros.com. Tent Talk is brought to you by Farmers Market Pros, where passion meets profit. Tent Talk is hosted by Kat Fields-White and Bridget Myers and produced by Leandra Hayes, with original music by David Mead. Tune in next week for another great episode.